Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're embarking on a scrumptious journey to uncover the delightful history of one of our all-time favorite treats, brownies. So, roll up your sleeves and join me as we explore the fascinating origins of these delectable squares. Now, the story of brownies is as diverse and rich as the chocolate they're made of. While there's no single agreed-upon origin, there are several intriguing theories that offer insight into their beginnings. One popular legend traces the roots of brownies back to the late 19th century, in the bustling city of Chicago, during the World's Columbian Exposition of 1893. According to this tale, a skilled chef at the prestigious Palmer House Hotel was tasked with creating a special dessert to delight the fair's attendees. However, fate intervened when the chef realized he was out of a crucial ingredient, baking powder. Undeterred by this culinary challenge, he ingeniously crafted a dense, chocolatey confection, akin to a fudgy cake. And thus, the first iteration of the brownie was born. As time marched on, brownies evolved from their humble beginnings into the beloved squares of indulgence we adore today. It wasn't until the early 20th century that brownies began to gain widespread popularity, thanks to their inclusion in countless recipe books across the nation. With the advent of modern kitchen appliances and the availability of ingredients, brownies quickly became a household favorite. Their simplicity and adaptability made them the perfect dessert for any occasion, whether it was a cozy family gathering or a joyous celebration. But the story of brownies doesn't end there. These delightful treats soon transcended geographical boundaries, captivating the taste buds of people around the globe. In the United Kingdom, brownies tend to be denser and more fudgy, while in Mexico, they might be infused with bold spices, like chili powder for a tantalizing twist. And there you have it, my friends. The enchanting tale of brownies. From a serendipitous kitchen mishap to a beloved dessert enjoyed by millions worldwide. If you enjoyed this journey through culinary history, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delectable content. Until next time, happy baking!